Understanding your child's unique learning style is key to their success. Let's explore different learning styles and how to support your child's individual needs. Welcome to ANUVO Education Support Services. In this video, we'll help you understand your child's unique learning style and provide strategies to support their academic success. Understanding your child's learning style allows you to tailor teaching methods and create a supportive learning environment, maximizing their potential. There are 4 main learning styles: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and multimodal. Each style has its own unique characteristics and strengths. Visual learners prefer to learn through seeing and reading. They're often good at remembering images, maps, and diagrams. Visual learners are detail-oriented, organized, and good at following instructions. They may enjoy drawing, painting, and other visual activities. To support visual learners, use visual aids such as charts, graphs, and diagrams. Encourage them to take notes and use color coding to highlight key points. Auditory learners prefer to learn through listening and speaking. They're often good at remembering lectures, discussions, and songs. Auditory learners are good at following verbal instructions, have strong verbal skills, and enjoy music and storytelling. To support auditory learners, read aloud to them, use audiobooks, and encourage them to participate in discussions and debates. Kinesthetic learners prefer to learn through movement and hands-on experiences. They're often good at sports, crafts, and building things. Kinesthetic learners are energetic, enjoy physical activities, and may have difficulty sitting still for long periods of time. To support kinesthetic learners, incorporate physical activities into learning, use manipulatives, and provide opportunities for hands-on experiences. Multimodal learners prefer to learn through a combination of different learning styles. They're often good at connecting information from different sources. Multimodal learners are adaptable, creative, and good at problem solving. They may enjoy multimedia presentations and hands-on projects. To support multimodal learners, use a variety of teaching methods and materials to engage different senses. Encourage them to create their own learning resources and explore different learning environments. Understanding your child's learning style empowers you to create a nurturing and supportive learning environment, maximizing their potential for success. In summary, learning styles include visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and multimodal. Each style has unique characteristics and strengths. Adapting teaching methods to your child's learning style helps them retain information more effectively and makes learning more enjoyable. By understanding and supporting your child's unique learning style, you're encouraging their learning journey and setting them up for success in school and beyond.